Now today we are going to study about arithmetic progression AN formula. Means nth term formula. There are total 4 variables. That is AN or TN. That is first A is known as first term. N is known as nth term. According to statement it's vary. And D is the common difference of consecutive terms. So for first example, for given AP, first term is 5, common difference is 12, and we have to find out 25th term, that is 25th term, N is equal. So we have to find out 25th term, that is A25 is equal to question marks. Now main formula is this. So out of 4, 3 variable is given. So we do substitution method. Instead of n is equal to 25, so A25. Value of A substitution is equal to 5. N is equal to 25 minus 1 according to formula, and B is equal to 12. So log simplification, that is 5 remaining as it is. 25 minus 1 is equal to 24 into 12. 24 into 12, that is 288. 288 plus 5 is equal to 293. So in this particular AP, 25th term, that is A25 is equal to 293. Now sometimes in same AP 2 terms are given. With respect to that number is also given. So that is known as application of linear equation in 2 variables. So second example is for given AP, 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Means 2 terms with respect to that number is given. So with the help of that we will find out a linear equation in 2 variables. We have to find out 31st term, that is n is equal to 31st and A35 31st is question. Now A11 is equal to 31, that's now from the statement. So n is equal to 11, formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. So an is equal to A11, that is 38 plus a remaining as it is, n is 11 minus 1 into b. That's become a plus n is equal to 38, question number 1. Now second relation is 16 term is 73. So A16 is equal to 73, therefore n is equal to 16. We substitute this value in formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. So instead of an, that is A16 73, a remaining as it is, n is equal to 16, 16 minus 1 is equal to 15d. Now we subtract equation 2 from equation 1 from equation 2, that is 2 minus 1. So equation 2 is as it is, that is a plus 15b is equal to 73. Minus, we have to change the sign, that is minus a plus minus 10d is equal to 30a. Now we are doing elimination method. So we will cancel out, plus 15d minus 10, 15d is equal to 5d. Plus 73 minus 38. So it's become 5a is equal to 35. So d is equal to 7. At the end of simplification, that is equation 3. Now we put d is equal to 7 either in equation 1 or equation 2. So I am putting that value of equation 3 in 1. So that is a plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. Therefore a is equal to 38 minus 7d is equal to minus 32. That is equation 4. So now we have out of 4 variable, value of 3 variable is there. That is a is equal to 32, d is equal to 7 and n is equal to 31st. So A31 is equal to substitution method, value of A is minus 32 plus n is equal to 31 minus 1 into 7, that is 32 plus 30 into 7. 7 3 are 21 and 0 as it is, that is 210. 210 minus 32 is equal to 178. Hence, according to question, the 31st term of the AP, that is 831, is equal to 178. Example number 3. For a given AP means arithmetic progression, the first term is 7. Means A is equal to 7. The 10th term is 61. Find, here two questions. Find the common difference, that is B, of the AP and its 25th term. Means here two questions. We have to understand the question properly. So from the data, the first term, that is A is equal to 7. 10th term, that is A10 is equal to 61. Therefore n is equal to 10 and An is equal to 61. D question marks and A25 question marks. Here two questions. First we have to find out D. After finding D, we will find out A25. So first calculation for D. Formula is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So instead of An, we substitute 61 and 7. Sorry, A7 and N10. That is 10 minus 1 is equal to 90. According to application of linear equation, 61 minus 7, that is 54. And 9 is in multiplication, so it's going to division. Transpose. So at the end of simplification, that is 54 upon 9 is equal to 6. So we find out D, that is end of first question. Now second question is A25. So calculation for A25. So here A remaining 7, that is for same AP. And how we find out n? A25. So n is 25 and D we have to find out previously, that is 6. Now An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into B. An is equal to 25. A is equal to 7. So n is equal to 25 minus 1 into 6. 7 carry out as it is. 25 minus 1 is equal to 24 into 6. 24 6 are 144. 144 plus 7 is equal to 154. Hence, don't forget to write down final result. Hence, 25th term, that is A25 of the AP is 151. Thank you for watching this video.